Hey there, ladies. Are you ready to take your career to the next level? Today, we're diving into a powerful concept: finding your energy number. Your energy number, derived from your lunar year of birth, is like a personal compass guiding you toward your goals. In this video, we are showing the ladies a simple step you can take today to improve your career success. Calculate your energy number using this formula. For gentlemen, please catch our earlier video. For example, if you were born in the lunar year 1994, this is how you calculate your energy number. Step 1. Add the last 2 digits of your lunar year of birth. Step 2. Keep adding the digits until it reduces to a single number. Step 3. Add 5 to this single number, or 6 if born on or after 2000. So for this example, a female born in the lunar year 1994, her energy number would be number 9. Once you've found your energy number, you'll have a powerful tool to help you make better career decisions and navigate towards success. Join us at the workshop to discover your success sector based on your energy number and align your career for success.